All right, good morning, everyone. Let's get started. All right, so let's check out, I was looking yesterday with the Senate. So the Senate passed the gap fill bill and then the House, and now we have Biden due to sign it today. Let's look at The Economist for this week. Let's see what they are looking at for the cover. The dollar looks to be on fire. He's winning. Business beware. Who's Narendra Modi? Israel is accused of genocide. Why AI fakes are winning. Interesting, right? Oops. You know what? Let's put that on. That would probably help. All right. Let me get this screen set up over here in the background. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, so let's get this set up for our limits for the day. 476.49, 412.99, 190.60, and 374.81. All right, limits are done. That's because today is the 19th. It's not the 18th. I will redo that. There we go. Let's try that again. Alrighty. There we go. Yes, please. All right. So fear and greed for today. 65. All right, so today, any announcements? 10 o'clock, consumer sentiment, existing home sales, and preliminary inflation. All right. There we go. Let's see if we have CNN with their breaking news for the day. Anything about Biden signing? Oh, that was my walk from this morning. Interesting. Someone was filming children in airplanes. Nothing about Biden. Nothing. Let's see. Biden signing gap bill 2024. Congress passes, and now it's off to Biden. Until early March, but they have to send it to Biden. So when is it on his agenda? Press briefing. Nothing. Okay. All right. So let's look. Let's create the list over here. So with our up gappers, we've got AMD. Let's make sure it's sorted properly by volume. AMD, Apple, Wayfair. I had had a crazy dream about Wayfair and US dividend stock. All right, SMCI, let's put that on there, and Amazon. All right, iRobot, ooh, ouchie. Tesla down as well. TSM had earnings. Boeing is continuing the downward trend. XPAV, let me look at XPAV and see if it looks like it's got good setup. Let's share this. All right, let's go here. Boom. There we go. All right. TSM. Yeah, looks okay. TSM. Yeah, TSM looks good. Neo is so low now. So low. Haha. Celsius Holdings. Let me see here. Celsius looks like it might have a nice bounce. Let's put that on. All right, let's switch it back over. There we go. Bum, bum, bum. All right, point of controls down here at 58. So 57.50. Up above 58.40. $144 million. All right, all right. Good morning, good morning. If you guys have something you'd like to see, put it in the chat and we'll check it out. All right, let's look at TSM today. Had earnings this week. Are we going to have a dark cloud cover retracement potentially? Let's check it out. All right, came up, hit up here. Looks like if we go above 113.80, potential pop there, and then up. If we go below 50, we've got 20 cents, 31, 20, 112.20 and 113.80. Nope. All right, here we go. Let's do Boeing. Is this going to be the sell-off point? Whoops, wrong one. The rollover repositioning. 210.01 is the point of control. We have this 209.34 and down here, so we'd have to go 208.80. 208.50. Better. Or above 211. let's check out Tesla continuing down in this downward trend here. Maybe it'll be interesting down at the 190s if we get that low. All right, 211.50 and 208.50. Oops, wrong one. All right, let me just disappear for 2 seconds. I gotta charge my watch up. All right, let's go to iRobot. Bum, 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 bada, bada, bum, bum. All right, iRobot. Maybe there's news that the merger wasn't going through. I don't know. Roomba's maker iRobot shares plunge on report of Amazon deal faces EU block. There you go. All right, 1580. Of course, this could be speculation, right? There's rumors that it's going to be blocked, but does that necessarily mean that it's going to be blocked? Not 100%, because they could just be saying that so that the big guys could buy it lower. So let's see if we go above 15.8, in which case it will likely move up today and potentially fill the gap up here to 2030. They definitely sold. So we shall see if it's a continued down move. Nice gaps, nice momentum. So we shall see which way they take it today. All right, let's check out Amazon. Curling up, maybe up to 158 up there. Good morning, Brenda. Oopsies. Bring this down just a bit. There we go. Anything you want to check out, Brenda, today? 154.80. Let's see. Let's put that back up here, 155. Clear that. Then we have a nice potential move up here at 155.48. And below here, let's see, 25, 40. Let's put it down here at 153.60. For potential short. All right. AMZN. There we go. Let's look at SMCI. Nice gap up today, 10%. Earnings is coming up. All right, 342 or above. They sold up here at 350, so 351. $47.1 million, lower float, a caution there. Double top, are they selling at the top again? Does have earnings coming up here just next Monday, the 29th, or 2 Mondays, excuse me, 2 Mondays. Getting ahead of myself, thinking today's the 26th. Wayfair, I had a dream a couple days ago that Wayfair had a big reversal. And look at that. Also on a US dividend ETF. I don't know which one, but apparently that was correct. All right, so pointing controls up here, 58 and 59.50. Could retrace nicely. Less than 100 is a little caution. Could move, but not as fast as less than 50 million, so thank you. It is brutally cold here, negative 14 degrees Celsius today. Walked my girls to school, and brr, it was so cold. Apple moving up out of the downward trend. Is this a trend change for Apple? We have big volume right here that was all the way back from over here. So they're testing that again. Let's see if we close higher or lower. If we close higher, likely a bigger move up in the market. If we close lower, watch out. They likely want to take it down lower. Right, 109, 190.50 and 188.88. All right, let's see where they go today. This reversal from what? Apple? From the market? What reversal exactly, Brenda? All right, AMD still higher, had a bit of a sell-off yesterday. Is it going to come back down to the channel, upward channel here? The market. Well, they passed that gap spending bill in Congress. So the House and the Senate both agreed on that. And now we have to get the sign off from Biden. Look to see really quickly, nothing on his agenda yet for the day. Doesn't mean that it's not happening. 165 and 166.50. But that is the final kicker. So we shall see. Right now there's nothing on his schedule, so close press briefing at 10 a.m. I still have COVID on here. And then press secretary, so maybe at 1:30 they'll say something. But there's nothing as far as on his agenda at the moment, right? That was 2 days ago. Friday live event comes at 1:30. They're quite ambiguous, right? Priorities, does it say anything? Oh, this is just priorities for the administration. So, yeah. Of course, he would probably sign it. Likelihood is probable. And they are, so it's likely short squeeze scenario. Let's get rid of this over here, clean this up. Hope nobody copied that. All right, because that was not correct if they did. All right, so let's look at today for the Dow. So we had a high here, slightly higher here. Are we going to top out? Is it going to be a head and shoulders type thing? The high here was 378, and then we went 25 cents above. So if we go above 378.25, Dow likely moving higher. Boeing has bigger volume this morning as well, likely a contender for moving the market. I'll put this at 375. We can move it up a bit. We'll leave it at 375 and 377.12. 377. All right, 375 and 377. Now Russell. The Russell is hitting the 33 from below. $192 and $190.80. All right, the Qs. $415.20 for the Qs and $416.50. All right, and then the SPY up here. Let's just hide these puppies. All right, let's move this up here. A gap up today. Is it going to be gap and drop? We had this downward trend, broke out of the downward trend, moved up. So let's see here, 479.50 and 478.20. All right, there we go. Anything else you'd like to check out, Brenda? Any other tickers? Alrighty, alrighty. Okay. So that is the list for today. If you all have any questions, put them in the comments, reach out on Twitter, Instagram. Have an amazing day. Carpe Profits.